Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn the process of making company or agent profile. Company or agent profile types are also called account profiles. Account profiles are used for the businesses with which properties have commercial dealings. This category might include businesses who sponsor guests, businesses for which the property handles events, or companies who directly provide products or services to the property. Travel agents are special kinds of businesses that have their own profile types, although in all essential respects they are identical to the company profile type. For this reason, you will see the title account on the profile screen for companies and agents. Company or agent profiles are available in reservation. Select and enter into profiles, then click on New and select agent or company to add a new profile. Enter the account or company name, address, city, postal code, select country and state from the drop-down. Enter GST number if required. Enter owner or admin name. Select reference currency and enter corporate ID if required. Click on tick box to activate this company. Click on tick box to allow credit to this company and set credit limit. To add multiple contact details, click on plus button. Click on save or save and exit button to save the profile. Thank you.